Love you.
I googled myself and there was something जानिए सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी के बारे में income, residence, occupation, past life, पता नहीं मतलब मैंने
I received DMs which say they say some really good stuff about me कि आप कितनी खूबसूरत लगती है, so hot, and in the end they write दीदी.
Is that a thing?
I don't know.
Very Game of Thrones of them.
And all of this is in Marathi. किती छान दिसता तुम्ही, किती खूबसूरत दिसता दीदी with ma'am and sir. I think both of them
सोच के बोलना यश
Everyone is like, be very careful.
No.
यश राज talent
Okay, Aruma, what is them that makes you laugh?
that we are dating
Oh,
यार 3-4 साल काम ही नहीं था
Sure.
तो हम ऑडिशन में मिलते थे ना, इसको काम मिलता था ना मुझे काम मिलता था
Actually बहुत भारी हुआ.
तो अब जाके
I remember सिद्धांत एक बार मुझे पूछा भी था तुझे एड मिली तो नहीं मिली.
वो वाली बात
I like how the two of them remember you all remember the ones you don't get more, right?
Yeah,
है ना?
और अब उसके एम्बेसडर बनेंगे.
बनेंगे.
I love that. Hello everyone, I'm Rudrani and welcome to Speak Easy. My guests today are outsiders who've been making their space in this industry very proudly and also following their own heart. But right now, they're cornering their way into your hearts, and let's find out how. Of course, my guests are Siddhant and Sharvari, who are trying
नमस्ते.
very hard right now to con me, but Don को पकड़ना नामुमकिन है. But it looks like a blast. So you guys have to tell me how it was to carry forward this legacy of Bunty and Bubbly and continue to make it more exciting.
I think quite surreal यार, क्योंकि सोचा नहीं था कि we would be a part of Bunty और Bubbly 2. I don't think किसी ने सोचा था कि Bunty और Bubbly 2 बनेगी. और जब बनी तो सिद्धांत and I got to be a part of it. So very surreal. A lot of responsibilities on us, but we really have put our best foot forward and we're hoping for the best.
You have?
नहीं एक्चुअली काफ़ी ओवरवेलमिंग फीलिंग थी जब ये फिल्म आई. गली बॉय के बाद मेरे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था कि कुछ अलग अवतार में देखूं मैं, और इसमें कितने सारे अवतार हैं जो मैं कर रहा हूँ. एट द सेम टाइम मेरा एक बहुत बड़ा सपना था कि यशराज फिल्म्स का हीरो बनूं, और देखिए आगे तो मेरे लिए तो बहुत बड़ी बात है.
I think both of you must have connected so much on the fact, obviously I began by saying that both of you all have similar journeys in the way of you're outsiders, and both of you all did very important roles in really big series. Before of course getting that big break, right? But I think that must have been such a common connection, saying Arey, I also was like this, and
the common connection is so unreal, and not just this, but we have many anecdotes actually to tell.
एक ही हॉस्पिटल में पैदा हुआ था.
नहीं ये झूठ है. ये कौन कर रहा है?
नाक लगा लो
Exactly.
नहीं एक्चुअली हम बहुत पहले से जानते हैं एक दूसरे को. एक हम फ्रेश फेस जीते थे, साथ में जीते थे.
You won together?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
नेशनल विनर्स थे. उसके बाद ऑडिशंस में हम कितने बार एक दूसरे से
बहुत बार मिले हम एक दूसरे से. We used to be auditioning और लंबी एक घंटे की लाइन होती थी, तो we used to just hang out together and read our lines till we get to go inside. Him and I were also supposed to do film actually. We were part of a similar film in 2014. 2014, which never happened.
No?
And we were in the shortlist. We were, we were going
there.
to.
That was supposed to be our, launch, I think. Launch.
Really?
So 2014 to now.
This was meant to be, basically.
This is meant
Universe,
to be. Yeah.
ने मतलब पूरी कायनात लग गई थी इसके पीछे.
और वो फिल्म बनी भी नहीं कभी.
वो फिल्म बनी नहीं.
Oh really? But when this got signed, did you two actually look at each other and say, how is this happening? Like, you know what I mean?
It was. I think हमने बहुत बार we've had conversations, long conversations after readings कि यार remember we used to like we were sitting here at Yashraj.
And earlier we used to sit at Aram Nagar.
So
it's quite a change.
Quite a change.
और कॉफी बन रही है, कॉफी आ रही है, और बंटी और बबली हैं हम, और तो वो फीलिंग ही अलग थी. मतलब टू स्टेप इन दिस बिल्डिंग it's a different
but I must say that I think because we've seen each other work so hard for such a long time, that there was a certain amount of surety कि ये बंदा भी ये उतना ही चाहता है जितना
Pocketing
Yeah.
fuzzy.
She conned you.
The con is this because there is no pocket in
It's
this.
like she conned you into believing she had a pocket.
And I was saying such a nice thing about Siddharth. I was just saying that there was a surety of a sort that, you know, this boy wants to make it big as much as you do. So that's a very special kind of a connection in terms of how we, you know, were in this film.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think it's perfect.
And we were both pushing each other whenever,
Yeah,
you know,
that's
like
true.
कि करना है तो करना ही है. Let's you know sit for 3 hours more. Let's rehearse for like 5 hours more, and you know kind of we were always on our toes because look at the
Yeah.
people we are going to be. You know, so ये
Yeah.
इनसे ही भाग रहे हैं ना, तो ये तो बड़े मतलब कमाल के मतलब पुराने खिलाड़ी हैं ये लोग, तो इनसे बचना बहुत मुश्किल था, तो हमको we had to up our game in every way possible.
Were you enjoying the fact that you had like such swag full of dialogues and you had to give it to them? This is going to be fun. I get to say this to Saif Ali Khan and Rani Mukherjee.
Well, हाँ मतलब थोड़ा तो थोड़ा मज़ा आया लेकिन कैसे बताएं आपको, फिल्म के बारे में पूरा कुछ बता नहीं सकते, लेकिन
Correct.
मज़ा तो आया काफ़ी, मतलब प्यार का माहौल ही था,
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं था कि
That's true.
उन्होंने काफ़ी हमारी हेल्प की है
Of course.
इस चीज़ में. कितने सारे कैरेक्टर्स हैं जिसमें सैफ सर ने मेरी हेल्प की है, रानी मैम, निशरवरी की, एंड तो काफ़ी मतलब इट्स आई थिंक इट्स अ टीम, यू नो. ऑब्वियसली ऑन द पोस्टर्स यू सी लाइक यू नो 2 versus 2, बट यू नो behind the screen, behind the you know camera, we were like a family, and they made us so comfortable, and they used to pull our leg, थोड़ी टांग खिंचाई करते थे, थोड़ी मस्ती होती थी, थोड़ी मजाक होते थे, तो काफ़ी मतलब आराम से मस्ती माहौल में बीत गया ये.
Siddharth, now you must be getting used to becoming trending or viral. The one that really trended was when you said जहाँ से इनकी struggle शुरू होती है वहाँ से खत्म होती है वहाँ हमारी struggle शुरू होती है. Look at the projects and the kind of people that you're working with. Does it feel like now, does it feel all worth it what you went through?
I mean, it was always worth it, you know. For me, I think I just come alive जब मैं कैमरे के सामने आता हूँ. So that's it, and that's the moment I live for. And आगे पीछे क्या हो रहा है, क्या होने वाला है, वो मैटर इतना नहीं करता है. You know, to just be there in front of the camera, to be able to perform. हर रोज़ जब सुबह मेरी मम्मी मुझे छोड़ती हैं दरवाजे पे जब मैं जाता हूँ शूट पे, आई थिंक वो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है कि मैं काम पे जा रहा हूँ, और मैं जब घर आता हूँ वापस तो सब लोग जगह होते हैं, और अभी तक मतलब हम इतने इवेंट्स कर रहे हैं, शोज़ कर रहे हैं जिसमें मैं पहली बार गया हूँ, तो वो अभी तक बैठे रहते हैं और पूछते हैं कि अच्छा कैसा हुआ, क्या रिएक्शन था. तो वो अभी तक वो एक्साइटमेंट बरकरार है. वो ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि मतलब हाँ 1-2 साल हो गए हैं तो मतलब कुछ फेड हुआ है. तो वो बहुत बड़ी बात है कि मतलब जो हमारे घर का जो कुल दीपक है जो कि मैं हूँ वो बेरोजगार नहीं है. वो कुछ कर रहा है लाइफ.
How modest.
ये था मेरा. मैं 3-4 साल काम नहीं था, 3-4 साल काम ही नहीं था. तो हम ऑडिशन में मिलते थे ना, इसको काम मिलता था ना मुझे काम मिलता था.
Actually, बहुत भारी हुआ.
तो अब जाके
I remember सिद्धार्थ ने मुझे पूछा भी था तुझे एड मिली, तुझे नहीं मिली.
वो वाली बात.
I like how the two of them remember you all remember the ones you don't get more, right?
Yeah, of course.
है ना?
और अब उसके एम्बेसडर बनेंगे.
I love that. I remember post Gully Boy, of course, you know, when we had this interview. So, you know, we always ask at the time, who do you want to work with? Who's your list? And, you know, the male actors, female actors. Siddharth pretty much is working with everyone that he had mentioned. Oh, I remember, of course, I want to work with Deepika.
Yeah.
Do you remember that
Yeah.
interview?
Oh, yeah, actually, yeah.
He actually said every little thing. We were discussing about who's reached out to him.
अब जब ये होता है ना कि मतलब आप कुछ चाहते हो और वो हो जाता है.
Correct.
तो फिर मुझे लगता है कि यार और चाहो. तो भूख अभी भी मुझे बहुत ज़ोर से लगी है. तो और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे करनी है लाइफ में. अभी तक मतलब इससे मैं खुश हूँ, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब बस हो गया, मैंने तो सब कुछ देख लिया. अभी बहुत कुछ देखना है, बहुत कुछ करना है, खुद को एक्सप्लोर करना है. इंडिया नहीं, पूरे देश में, पूरे विदेश में, ग्लोबली बहुत कुछ करना है. तो काफ़ी विजन तो मेरे सपने बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, कम नहीं हो रहे. तो आई होप कि जो मैंने सोचा वो भी पूरा हो. और ऐसे ही हर इंटरव्यू में याद है वो वाली.
I think आपके साथ वो हमेशा like
बस माँ बाप का आशीर्वाद है.
Oh, so sweet. Sharmini, I also want to know that, you know, now that you've, you know, this is one film that's ready out there, and you have been here in the industry for a while. You are at a time where there are such exciting characters being written for women.
Yeah.
Tell me something that you always thought you would like to do?
This is definitely a part of that, but I think apart from that also, यार ये मेरी पहली picture है, उतना मैंने explore किया नहीं है in terms of what I would, which is a particular genre or what I would want to do. But you know, there's a film that I watched and I was like, I wish I could have done it, which is Razi. That's a film
Nice.
that for me was like, if you know, like that's the kind of a film that I would love to do someday. Of course, I love Alia Bhatt. I think she's super inspiring, and she's done a phenomenal job. But होता है ना कभी आप एक project देखते हो और बोलते हैं यार I wish that would have, I could have been able to do that. So I think Razi is definitely one of those.
I think it's a great pick.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna have some fun questions.
Yay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
A bunch of fun questions, and here we go. A rumor about yourself that makes you laugh.
People say that I'm 1 year older than I actually am, and they've assumed it, and now someone's telling me show your passport.
I just want to ask one
Yes.
question. Is 1 year really making that much
Yes,
difference?
you're a woman, you should know.
I'm like, okay, a rumor about yourself that makes you laugh.
That we're dating?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. But Siddhant had made sure in the beginning only he had told when people were interviewing him that I am in a very committed relationship. Remember?
Yeah,
He
yeah.
told it. उसने पहले ही खत्म कर दी थी. Even post that declaration, you have these rumors.
Yeah, I don't know why. I'm sorted.
More than any reaction, Sharmini, you want to laugh again. I was like,
Yeah.
I have nothing to say about it. You don't like get hassled about it, right?
No.
Ah. Like, okay, the weirdest DM that you recently received.
Weirdest DM that I recently received. You know, because I'm Maharashtrian, I received DMs which say, you know, they say some really good stuff about me. कि आप कितनी खूबसूरत लगती है, so hot, and in the end they write Didi.
Is that a thing?
I don't know.
Very Game of Thrones of them.
And all of this is in Marathi. किती छान दिसता तुम्ही, किती खूबसूरत दिसता दीदी. And I'm like, what is Didi?
It's very disturbing. Whoever it is, if you ever see this, quite disturbing. Maybe Didi comment kar dena. Not the way to go to Sharmini's
I
heart.
agree.
You know the thing like saying how not to go to Sharmini's heart. What about you? What's your weirdest DM?
Weirdest DM.
Recent में होगा ना कुछ तो.
No, like something like can I? पता नहीं एक डॉग का इमोजी होता है ना, वो डाला था पहले.
The one with the tongue out, na?
No, just like a dog.
अच्छा,
Okay, and then it was like कि my you know मेरा कुत्ता रास्ता भूल गया था तो मैं यहाँ आ गई. Anyway, hi.
I just want to know, she's trying to hit on you basically, but
how?
It was really good. It was smart of her. पहले एक डॉग आया, उसके बाद sorry मेरा कुत्ता यहाँ पे hi.
Okay, I want to know, did you find that entertaining? Were you like,
No, I didn't respond to that. But
it didn't work. For people who want to use this in the future, कि सिद्धांत को सब dogs भेज रहा है कल से.
मेरा भी कुत्ता घूम गया. मेरा भी कुत्ता घूम गया.
मैंने नहीं, रेबीज के इंजेक्शन लग जाते हैं, मैंने खोले नहीं डीएम.
Oh God! But yeah, that's slightly strange. But this I have to give it to her.
Yeah,
It's like, I don't want to compete there. Okay, if as a con you could swap your life with somebody else and pretend to be that actor from the industry, who would that be and why?
I really want to swap my life with Ranveer Singh, and I really want to wear those clothes and have that personality and the confidence. I love it.
You're not far away.
Hi Ranveer.
Hi Ranveer. Good one. Absolutely. Siddhant is entertained by our excitement.
Like-
He's still working now, Deepika. उसको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
Work with both of them. Yeah, they're great. Really.
She's
yeah.
too sweet, right? As a person. Also.
She's too sweet. She's beautiful. What an actress. I mean, it was a very different experience for me. So I'm waiting for that film to come out. It's really exciting.
We want that to happen as well. But okay, as a con, let's say if Bunty was so talented that he could have gone ahead and swapped his life and pretend to be that actor, whose life would you want to pretend to live, and why?
I think I would want to swap my life with Sharvari.
Oh.
Because I'll tell you why. The feeling of a first film is very different. You know, yes, I had my first film Gully Boy, but I was not like, you know, I was not supposed to be launched in that. You know, so I was like, okay, ठीक है चलो, I'll get some appreciation, you know, but हमेशा से जिंदगी में हीरो ही बनना था ना, तो वो launch, so वो नहीं था. So I want to swap because right now I know what is happening to her on the 19th. It's a different feeling, yeah. This film, you're on the poster. You know, it's a very different
He keeps
feeling.
telling me,
Yeah.
Siddhant, Siddhant keeps telling me, just wait till the 19th. Just wait till the 19th.
But that's really sweet. I feel like now you're already in the zone. I don't see that nervousness
Oh,
at
she's
all.
very nervous.
I am nervous. I think, but more than nervous, I'm more excited.
Ah.
I think I'm containing my excitement more than anything, but you know, it's been a long journey. Like
Sure.
both of us have had one, and this is my first film. It's
Yeah.
been 7,
Yeah.
8 years now. So you know, when you're waiting for that moment, you've dreamt of this day so many times that when it actually happens, you're slightly calmer. Like there's
Talk to me on the 18th night.
You know, Siddhant actually looks like that senior who says we will talk on 18.
No, it's for me. It's
No,
is it for-
we actually do always end up talking. Even before the trailer came, I ended up calling him one night
Yeah.
back.
Yeah,
Even
so
when we were
sweet.
going on stage, no, actually, in fact, when we were getting
Yeah,
ready,
yeah.
we said, "Hi, how are you? Okay, today, Love Juice getting launched." We're like, "How are you feeling? How are you feeling?" We have this little
Yeah.
huddle that happens.
But really, really sweet. Okay, now, have you Googled yourself, and when you did, what's the strangest thing that came up?
Have I Googled myself? The strangest thing that's come up. Actually, there's not much about me on the internet, so I wouldn't say that there's anything strange there.
Okay, you haven't read like a strange comment in there, a strange question.
No, I mean people are still wondering who is Shalvari Wagh. That's actually everywhere. That's
The
all.
question?
Yeah, so
Not after 18.
Not after
Not after
Not after
18.
18. Okay, what about you?
I googled myself and there was something जानिए सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी के बारे में income, residence, occupation, past life,
past life.
past
What
life.
do you mean past life?
पता नहीं मतलब
Did
मैंने
you click on his
no,
lie?
no, I didn't.
Siddhant, don't lie. No spell.
I didn't.
You did?
I think I'm gonna Google now.
But it was like that, कि Siddhant
Yeah,
passed.
past life, residence, occupation, girlfriend, single or not, married, पता नहीं क्या ही मतलब था, तो मैंने खोला नहीं, मैं डर गया.
Okay, now this is what you have to be very, very honest about, and I'm sure you'll have good things to say. You have to say one annoying quality and one good quality about all your co-stars.
All.
Which is
All.
Saif, Rani, in your case Sharvari,
Yeah.
and vice versa.
Annoying. Sharvari.
Nose
Is
to
that,
निकाल
are
लो.
you literally saying my name?
That's it.
Annoying Shalvari, is that what he meant?
Annoying Sharvari and good
So-
quality Rani Mukherjee.
You. Oh snap! You know whose team is selecting, right? This is not going well with your promotion. This is not Ira's idea.
I am team Saif Ali Khan.
Oh, good one. Good one.
Good save. Good save.
Okay, what about you?
I'll actually tell you, Sharvari's annoying quality is that she laughs. बहुत जोर से हंसती है ये, बहुत जोर से।
That's true. You can hear me from the
पूरा
next band
दादर जग
also.
जाता है। और the good quality is that her smile is very beautiful.
Oh,
that's
she
so-
said 2 things about my smile.
So smart, na? No
ये
wonder-
लगा छक्का.
I'm telling yeah. So Saif, Rani ma'am, I think one annoying quality is that that I can't crack a lot of jokes because obviously she is the yeah. And the good quality, she's so funny, and that's why I want to be able to crack, not think 10 times before cracking, but she's very she's a sport. So the good quality, she's very funny, and the bad, I wish I could I think by
Not bad, like an annoying sort of a thing. or
yeah,
whatever.
but I think by the third part of this, I think we'll be able to I'll be able to फैल जाऊंगा कि मैम
अभी नहीं. What about Saif?
Saif sir, annoying quality. Saif sir's annoying quality. I think he knows everything. He reads a lot. He reads a lot. When he knows, and I don't know, so I feel stupid about myself. That's really annoying about
That's
him.
true actually.
And the good quality is that he shows me Temu's pictures all the time while we are waiting. So he keeps come here, look at this, and he showed me videos and how he's hanging out with him and also that's I think I really like it. That's a
That's
good time.
cute.
Yeah.
That's amazing. What about you?
Siddhant's annoying quality, which also I find little fun, is tang khichai. Because
Yeah.
Siddhant loves to khicho my tongue no matter what. There will always be one anecdote and then he'll only laugh at it and he'll only do this to me. Like that will happen.
I think clearly you told Siddhant mat karna because he's behaving so well today.
Am I?
Today I think we were bullying Siddhant.
Yeah.
I just made 5 faces when she was answering.
See, this is what I'm talking about. I didn't even see that.
I
Yeah.
did.
So that, but his good quality is that Siddhant is a team player, and I think I needed that in my first film. Also, a film like Bunty Bubbly, there was a lot of responsibility. The best quality that he had is he sees this as he doesn't see this for himself. He sees this as something we are doing together, and I think that has really helped me, work through this film with ma'am and sir. I think both of them
सोच के
are
बोलना
similar.
यश
Everybody's like, be very careful.
No.
यश राज टैलेंट थोड़ा सोच समझ के
So, Siddhant.
No, with ma'am and sir, annoying, but I must say that they have this habit of making you laugh when the scene is going on.
Oh yeah.
So they used to, you know, like do some like chugli khori so that Siddhant and I end up laughing suddenly.
Yeah.
And you know, it's our first film. We don't want to come across as someone who laughs in the
Yeah.
middle and not, you know.
Yeah, professional and
We are
all
very
that.
professional.
And especially
like that.
Rani ma'am, she'll make faces and all. She'll make
Like,
us laugh, and
she would
action, but
be-
she'll just go like.
And she would be ready. So we are like literally coming back from the laughter and then we are like ready, ready man.
Yeah.
So that for both of them, I must say. With ma'am, I think she's honestly really, really loving. And
she's very caring.
she's very caring. Like she would take care of every single person on set, and I think
Yeah.
that's the best part. You learn a lot from them as actors, but something not a lot of people know is how they are off set. And
Yeah.
we were lucky to, you know, get to know that. She would take care of everybody.
Everyone, yeah.
She knows everyone's names. She makes sure that she has a personal equation with everyone.
Everyone.
She has fun off set. And with Saif sir, I have to say he was too good. He has these side chats with people. Side chats. I would if two people are talking there, he'll suddenly take you in the corner and start like gossiping.
Yeah.
It's too good. I was entertained thoroughly.
I am having too much fun, but I have to let you guys go. And I also want to say that Siddhant, मतलब अरिजीत सिंह के गाने भी मिलके जहाँ पे वो रैप कर रहा है. What is this? What is happening?
सिद्धांत का effect.
अरिजीत सिंह को
It's
rap-
a सिद्धांत
अरिजीत सिंह को
effect.
rap करा दिया.
कहाँ से हमें आए क्यों पूछते सवाल, ये चेहरे कैसे भोले भाले करते हम बवाल हैं, कल के हम मिसाल हैं, मिसाइल से भी तेज स्वैग अपनी अंग्रेजी, फोटो छपती अखबार में ना लेते हम सेल्फी, अपनी देसी जुबान अपनी देसी दुकान देते गर्दा, उड़ा जब पर्दा उठा जंगली अम्बिल ये सिस्टम चुआ, हर कुर्सी पे फर्जी है गहरा कुआं, चकलो ये चकमा माल पुआ, बदले में देना वाईफाई पासवर्ड और थोड़ी दुआ. थैंक यू.
Oh! For someone who is not a rapper, he does rap really well. doesn't
He writes so well, so I think it comes
I
naturally
know,
to him.
right? Exactly why. But thank you so much. बहुत परेशान किया मैंने आप दोनों को.
नहीं मुझे
नहीं,
बहुत
but
मजा
I
आया.
I really
आपके साथ
have-
हमेशा मजा आता है.
Thanks so much. Lots of love.
Love you, love you.
Loved you, loved you.
Thank you so much. You guys
Thank
are awesome.
you.
You are so hardworking, and I really hope great content keeps coming from the two of you. Thank you.
Thank you
so
so
Lots
much.
of love.
Thank you.
Thank you.